What's up? I got all of this stuff for $13.45, or you could look at it as 89 cents a piece. So today is June 9th. It's the beginning of a new sale week at CVS, and I'll tell you how I broke it down. So the first thing are the birthday cards. The Hallmark cards are $2 a piece. I'll show you the back. See how it says $2 a piece? And there is a deal. When you buy 3, you get $3 extra bucks. And when you go on coupons.com, which I will link the link below, you get $3 manufacturer coupon off. So these were, let's say 6, right? 2, 2, 2. And $3 off of my manufacturer coupon from coupons.com, making them $3 plus tax. But I had a beauty coupon because when you spend over $30 at CVS in beauty products or shampoo or things like that, you get $3 back. So I used that, making this 27 cents. Then the next deal I had was I thought that I had $1 off of these Tide Pods, but I didn't. So that was the only mistake that I made today. Yeah, these are cat scratchings. Don't have a cat. So the Persil, I had a coupon because I take multiple inserts when they arrive at the house. So I had a $2 off of this, and this one was already on sale. So I also got $3 extra bucks back from buying these 3, right? So I have 3. So these are normally $6.99, which I think is insane, and they were on sale for $2.94. I was hoping for $1 off, but I guess I picked the wrong brand. Or maybe I don't have that coupon. Persil, it's normally $8.59. That's insane. It's the size of my hand. And they're on sale for $5.94. I was able to get that $2 off, so making it $4.94. Right? No, that's $3.94. $3.94. I'm horrible at math. So this purchase, I'm sorry, pup, it will be over soon, came out to $2.67. Then I saw that I needed only $24 because there is a household sale going on of spend 30, get 10. So basically like spend 20 for $30 worth of stuff. So I only needed $24 worth of stuff. So I went to the paper aisle, and these Scott tissues, 18 for 36, or the 12 rolls of 1,000 or something like that. Let me show you a little bit better. The 1,000 rolls. These 3 items, they're each $7.99. So look at it as $8. So if I needed 24, I only need to buy 3. So I bought 3, and here's my receipt for that. So on this transaction, I used all the extra bucks that I had from last week. So I had $8, $8, and I think I used my $3 from the Hallmark one. So that's how it came out to $6.39. So from that transaction, I got $10. And I wandered over to the L5 section because the L5 is spend 15, get 5. I also had a manufacturer coupon that came in the inserts, like, you know, the little clippy coupons, the paper ones. So this one came out to, they're $4.99 each, right? So let's look at this coupon. Just give me 1 second, pup, 1 second. So $4.99. So, they're on sale for 2 for $8. So 8 and 8 is 16. So out of $16, I used my $4 off paper coupon. And I also got $1.23 savings from an email, and I guess I had $3 off of $10 of L'Oreal, so $3. And I actually gave a $10 extra buck, so I lost $3 on this, so that sucks. So first, I should have calculated this one better, but I had no idea that I was going to save that extra $3. Anywho, so I spent $1.04 just in tax. So cool, even though I lost $3, just realizing that now. Then I got my $5 extra bucks, and I wandered over to the Schick aisle because these Schick Hydro Silk 5 is normally $12.49, but they're on sale today and this week for $9.99. So I used my $5 from this transaction right there, and I had a manufacturer coupon from coupons.com for $4 off. Only paid 99 cents plus tax at $1.88. And I got $4 back in Extrabucks. So I wandered my way over to the toothbrush aisle. These are $3.19 each. They're on sale, buy one get one half. So $3.19 plus like $1. $1, let's see, 33. Is it original price $3.19, coupon savings? So how much did I pay? $3.19 divided by 2, I think is like $150, $160. I think $160. So altogether it was like 5 something, right? $5.80. Anywho, I used my $4 Extrabucks coupon from the Schick razor, got $4 off, and after tax I paid only $120. So this is how much I paid for everything. 27 cents for the cards, $2.67 for Tide. That's my cat. She's ripping the couch from the back. Cats are horrible. I'm never gonna get a cat again. I only have her because I found her. Okay, please stop. What can I do? What can I do? And no, cats are nice. It's just like I don't know what to do about them ruining my furniture. Moving along, $6.39 for 3 paper products, making it like $2 a piece, even though they're $7.99 a piece. $1 for 4 hair products. These are all the Extrabucks that I got. $1.80 for a $12 razor, and $1.20 for 2 toothbrushes. I mean, what a haul, right? What a haul for $13.45 or 90 cents a piece. And on top of that, I ended up losing $3 in Extrabucks off of this thing. So, you know, whatever. As long as it's not coming out of real cash, right? But think about these deals as you're shopping this week. All right. Enjoy. Bye.